believe that through diversity, we build strength.
We believe that the safety and security of our people is our first priority.
We believe that an entrepreneurial spirit provides endless possibilities.
We believe that together we can achieve anything.
We believe that through innovation we find better solutions.
We believe that it's our business to enhance our customers' business.
We believe our global supply chain brings local benefits.
We believe investing in our local communities is the right thing to do.
We believe that technology enables success.
We believe in creating a sustainable environment for us and for those who follow.
We believe that motivated people create happy customers.
We believe that at Bunzl, everyone counts.
We are transparent.
We show humility.
We are reliable.
We are responsive.
At Bunzl, when you join our team, your potential is unlimited.
Because at Bunzl, we believe in you.